This was question number 1 on the November 2022 paper 1 higher tier Edexcel, okay, looking at product of primes. So it has to write 500 as a product of powers of its prime factors. So this is where we're going to use a factor tree. So we're going to start off with 500. So two numbers that multiply to make 500. I'm going to go for 50 and 10. You're welcome to pick other numbers other than obviously 1 in itself. Okay, decompose 10 into 2 and 5. Okay, circle 2 and 5 because they are prime numbers. Okay, and also prime factors of 500. Okay, 50 decomposes into 5 and 10. Okay, circle the 5 because it is prime. Okay, and then 10 decomposes into 2 and 5. Again, circle them because they're prime. Okay, and then all I'm not going to do is multiply the circled numbers because the word product in mathematics means to multiply. Okay, so we have 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, so 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, writing it in index form, so product of powers. Okay, so I'm going to have 2 squared multiplied by 5 cubed. Okay, and that's writing 500 as a product of its prime factors. Okay, so it's prime numbers that multiply to make 500. Okay. And this is a question that I'm almost certain will come up on your paper 1, even paper 2 or paper 3, okay, higher tier and foundation for Edexcel, AQA and OCR, particularly for Edexcel and OCR exam boards. Okay, so revise this topic and make sure that you master this topic here. So it's prime factorization or writing a number as a product of its prime factors. So a product means to multiply, and then prime factors are prime numbers that go into that number cleanly with no remainder. Okay, so it's prime numbers that multiply to make 500. Thank you.